All right, we're back. Lige, I have something for you. Can you guess the top five most famous PBA players of all time according to ChatGPT?
ChatGPT. Okay.
ChatGPT. Guys, pasensya na ChatGPT
Bef-
lang ngayon.
before
Okay.
mag before ako mag-rank,
Mm.
ilang players dito ang naglaro sa Ginebra San Miguel?
Ay, no. Um,
Barangay Ginebra San Miguel.
Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel.
Oo.
Okay. Let me count, ha? If I'm not mistaken, three
Okay, so LA
or
Tenorio?
four. Nope.
Wala si LA Tenorio.
Wala
Wow.
si LA Tenorio. Of all
Jaworski.
time to, pre. Jaworski at number one.
Jaworski.
Robert Jaworski at number one.
Kagiwa.
Nope, he's not on the
Well,
list. Of all time
was
to,
I
bro.
near? Was I near nung sinabi kong Kagiwa?
No, no.
Sino ba to? Sila Kraken. Has
The
to be here.
Kraken, John Fajardo, is not here on the list.
What the heck?
Of all time to.
Johnny Abarrientos?
Johnny Abarrientos is number five.
Patrimonio.
Alvin Patrimonio is number three.
Damn. Scotty Thompson is not here.
Scotty Thompson is not here.
Ano ba?
Guys,
Hmm.
according to ChatGPT to, kaya kung mali
Danny
kami
I.
sa ano. Danny I is not here.
What? You have
Danny
to
I
give me
is
a clue. Parang di ko na
Clue. Both these players that are left have played for San Miguel.
San Miguel. Baby. Alvin. So nakuha ko na si Alvin, nakakuha ko na si Johnny Abarrientos. Ayun. Nakakuha ko na si Jaworski. Are they imports? No?
Nope.
What the hell? Kagiwa, Helterbrand, hindi.
Nope.
James Yap, no.
Nope.
Sheesh. Sino kaya to?
Parehas silang may moniker. I don't know if that helps you, pero parehas silang may moniker.
Polar Daddy? Kid Lightning? No?
Nope.
Meron silang moniker.
Fa- Very famous moniker.
Alan Gaydick.
Nope.
What the? This is crazy. Alan Gaydick, wala. Sino to ga?
Ah!
Patrimonio.
Two and
Adani ay
four.
wala.
2 and 4 to.
2
2
and
and
4.
4.
Jaworski. Ano ba?
Ah!
Can you give me a hint? Yung initials.
Parang madaya naman yun. Bigyan muna tayo sa pang-hint. One of these
Ay, wait
players...
lang.
Oh, sige, go.
Oh, one of these players, what?
One of these players happens to be the only player to win 2 awards of this caliber.
This caliber.
Of a high
Wait lang.
caliber award.
Ah, alam ko na.
Oh.
Okay, so ang minention ko kanina si ano eh. Samboy Lim, wala.
Wala si Sam Boyling.
What? Wait lang, I think alam ko na kung sino yung sinasabi. Benji Paras.
Benji Paras is number 4.
Number 4. Sino kaya number 2?
Number 4.
Sabi ko na Patrimonio, di ba?
Yes, he's number 3.
Yun ba yung sinabi mo na ano? Player na who has won awards twice?
No, no, no. I said only player to win 2 awards. Paras is the only PBA player to win both Rookie of the Year and MVP in the same season.
Di ba si Benji Paras yan? Who's number 2?
Yeah. So, yun nga yung number 4 nga yun. Number
Yeah,
2,
number 2. Yeah, I give up.
ito, bigay ko na yung description na binigay ng ChatGPT. This player, dubbed as blank, is a 4-time PBA MVP and one of the most dominant players in league history. And played for
Stop.
several teams including Toyota, San Miguel, and Barangay Ginebra.
Hindi ko na alam. Nelson na isa ito, no?
No, sir.
Yeah, I give up.
El Presidente Ramon Fernandez.
Basta.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
God. Oh well, kaya pala hindi mo masagot.